Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luis. Today we are diving into the world of streaming with the C1 Android TV box. This device offers operators a cost-effective and customizable platform for delivering the live TV and streaming services. Let's see what makes it a fantastic option for IPTV and OTT solutions. Okay, as you can see, it's really small. Okay, so inside the box we have the C1 Android TV box with the USB 2.0 SD micro SD card slot, Ethernet connection, HDMI output, and the power connection. Okay, on the bottom you will see some holes for the air to flow. Okay, and it's smaller than we are used to see on Android boxes. Okay, the remote control, it's nicer than some that I already tested. So rubber buttons and the plastic feels really nice, and batteries not included. So I already told you that during the video some parts will be on double speed or more, otherwise the video would be 30 minutes. So let's make it around 12 minutes and you will have an overview what this box is able to bring and capable of playing. Okay, so the C1 Android TV box is compatible with Stalker, Ministra, Xtream Codes and M3U, featuring multi-account access and fast login capabilities. It's a versatile IPTV OTT device that offers live TV, video on demand, EPG and DVR recording support. Okay, so first time I connected to the Ethernet cable, there was an update available. That's what you see on the screen. So the box will restart and then we will continue with the setup. Meanwhile, let me talk about the key features. So it has live TV and VOD. It supports live TV programs and a wide range of on-demand content like movies, TV shows and documentaries. EPG and DVR, the Electronic Program Guide, EPG, provides schedules and information for TV programs, allowing you to set reminders or recordings. With DVR functionality, you can record your favorite programs for later viewing. Time shift and catch-up TV. Features like time shifting allow you to pause, rewind or fast forward live broadcasts and view previously aired programs. Okay, so right now we are looking at the setup. I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi network. I'm putting my password there and the box will be ready if not connected to Ethernet cable. Then I will select my location to have the time set up correctly on my device. Okay, so depending where you are setting up the device, you will choose the correct timing for you. Okay, so right now we are looking at the settings. It will be passing through, so you are also able to change the name of the device because you will see it on your network. You will be able to cast to it. Okay, and you see it works on Android 10 and if I forget to say something about it, it will be in the video description. Okay, but I will continue. Okay, so the C1 also offers a customizable interface, content protection, and remote management, making it a complete solution for all your TV and streaming needs. Setup is straightforward, with quick switch buttons for high, low gain and input modes, and colored indicator lights to show the current working mode and sample rate. In terms of performance, the C1 is equipped with a quad-core ARM Cortex A53 CPU, and for the GPU we have the Mali G31MP2. Supports video decoding up to 4K 60 frames per second and dual band Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. It also supports OTA online upgrades, ensuring you always have the latest software version. Okay, so right now we are having a look at the user interface, and I'm also showing you the application that comes by default installed. So you have this one where you can put some IPTV lists with the username and password if you buy somewhere, and there are the most known streaming applications like Prime, like Disney, like HBO Max, like Netflix, and of course we have YouTube working. Also you can give voice commands to your TV box because the remote is prepared, so, and it works really well. Okay, so you see I just gave a voice command to search for this video, and then we just press play and it starts immediately, and the quality is good. Okay, so I will show you YouTube, I will show you playback from a USB drive, I will show you how you can customize your main screen, so those images on the screen, so those channels, they can be moved up or down or deleted. So here I'm using the remote control with the mic, and I'm speaking to the mic, and so you see it searches online for what you asked for. Okay, so this is the application to input IPTV lists if you have, and there is another application for streaming, which is this one, but I believe it's for the Indian people. Okay, because I see the content, it seems Indian. If I'm mistaken, please forgive me, but I don't understand that language. But it's loaded with movies, TV shows and live TV. Okay, so we have Miracast that allows you to cast or to mirror your smartphone directly to your TV. So this is my Instagram. If you are not yet following me on Instagram, feel free to do it. I post some videos that I don't put on YouTube, so feel free to follow me there. Okay, so this is how you add more applications at the top bar, and then as I told you, you can delete some channels here. So I'm deleting that one from India and then you can move up or down if you want. And so if you log into YouTube will show you there your video recommendation, everything. Okay, so I didn't log in to YouTube, so is just showing there Mr. Beast and Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, so here it's AIDA64. We have an overview of the TV box specs that I will leave in the video description. Okay, but if you like to see all those specs, this is AIDA64 and all the information. Okay, so right now we will proceed to video playback. Okay, so remember, so I'm reading this from USB, and so this is from my camera Sony and this from my camera Panasonic. Also both are 4K and they play really nice. Now let's go for a Matroshka file, also 4K, and it plays good. Remember, this is not at normal speed, and 1080p 30 frames per second, it plays good. 1080p 60 frames per second also plays good. 4K 30 frames per second, no issues. And now 4K 60 frames per second, it's not playing well, so it misses some frames, so that's a no. H265, so this one, the second one, it's not playing already, so the only played the first one from the list. So this was for video playback. So in summary, the C1 Android TV box is an excellent choice for those seeking a robust and versatile IPTV OTT solution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on the C1 Android TV box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And yes, of course, you can game on this box. Catch you on a new video. Bye bye.